Greetings everyone, Princess Etch here. Today we're going to learn how to etch a sketch a star. Now, this star is simple in the way it's drawn, but it's actually deceptively difficult in the way that you have to render diagonals at different slopes. So if you've never etch a sketched a diagonal before, I encourage you to check out my tutorial video on how to etch a sketch a house. So if you feel ready to go, then let's dive in and start etch a sketching a star. As always, the first thing we're going to need to do is figure out where the stylus is inside of the Etch A Sketch and bring it to the point where we would like to begin. So I'd like to start at the top of the star today, so I brought the stylus to that point, so when I shake and erase the Etch A Sketch, the stylus will be at that point when I begin. Okay, so the first thing we're going to need to do is a diagonal line going down and toward the right. But this is a different kind of diagonal than I've demonstrated in the past because we're going to make it more steep. So we're going to take our time, and you're going to notice that I'm turning both knobs toward the center, but I'm turning the right knob more than the left. My left hand is barely moving, but I'm keeping it consistent with every time I draw with the right knob. So I'm turning the right knob a lot more than the left to create this diagonal. Once you draw the line to a sufficient length, you will then stop, and we will now be drawing a different diagonal line, but it's going to be a lot more shallow, which means we're going to be turning the left knob more than the right. So this next diagonal is going to be going up and toward the left. So we're going to be turning both knobs outwards or away from the center of the Etch A Sketch. So pay close attention to my hand movements. And if you don't get this the first time, don't worry. As I've said, the star is it's a deceptively simple looking thing to draw in Etch A Sketch, but it's actually pretty complicated. So sometimes it even takes me more than one time. Once you draw this line to a sufficient length, you want it to be roughly the same length as this line, ideally, but it doesn't have to be perfect. You will then stop, and now we're going to do the easiest part of the drawing. So the next line we're going to make is purely horizontal, which means that all we need to do is turn one knob here. We're going to turn that toward the right. And we'll stop at around here. The next line, we're going to basically make it a reflection of this last diagonal we created, so it will be another, another more shallow slope, which means we're going to turn the left knob more, and we are turning both knobs, let me think for a moment, counterclockwise. And we're going slow and steady. As I tend to say in my Etch A Sketch tutorials, Etch A Sketch is not a race. So eventually you'll stop that diagonal where it's at around the same height as the other point here. And you can see I didn't make the perfect diagonal line. That often happens. You'll get these little bumps throughout and these little kind of unique characteristics to your diagonal line. And that's okay. The more you do it, the better it's going to get, and the more smooth it's going to get. So once you get to this point, this might be for many the most difficult part of drawing the star, and if you don't line it up perfectly, that's okay. So now you're going to essentially reflect this first diagonal we made, which means that, yet again, we're going to be turning the right knob more than the left, and we're going to be turning both knobs clockwise this time around, because we need to go up and toward the right. So slow and steady. You'll see I'm barely turning that left knob. And we're gonna take our time, slow and steady. And I can even tell this star isn't even symmetrical for me, but you know what? That's okay. Once you join those lines, your star is complete. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I would love to see how your stars turn out. And look, I have over 25 years of Etch A Sketching experience, and not all of my stars turn out perfect. So if this one isn't exactly how you wanted your star to be, you can always shake and erase your Etch A Sketch and create a new one once again. Thanks for watching.